Hello children, welcome to Narayana Digital Classes where learning never stops. Today I am going to discuss eTechno assignment number 5 topic states of matter class 9th. So here the question number 1 is Dalton's law of partial pressure. Dalton's law of partial pressure is not applicable to the following mixture of gases at room temperature. Generally according to Dalton's law of partial pressures, that means the total pressure is equal to sum of the partial pressure of all the gases, but here the condition is, compulsory, that means the gases will not react, that means non-reactive gases only. If those gases are reacting means this Dalton law of partial pressure will not be applicable. So here H2 and N2 there is non-reactive gases, H2 and O2 non-reactive gases, O2 and N2 non-reactive gases, but the only thing is ammonia and HCl, this means these two are reacting with each other. So here the law is not applicable to only the gases of ammonia and hydrochloric acid. So fourth option is correct. Next we will move to next question. A gas mixture contains 4 grams of hydrogen and 42 grams of nitrogen, then fraction of the total pressure exerted by nitrogen is, that means the partial pressure of any gas, that means the partial pressure of nitrogen is equal mole fraction into total pressure of the nitrogen. That means here we need to find out the mole fraction, of the nitrogen gas. So how to find out the mole fraction of nitrogen gas? That means number of moles of nitrogen gas by number of moles of nitrogen gas plus number of moles of hydrogen gas. So here how to find the number of moles of nitrogen gas? Number of moles of nitrogen gas is equal to, what is the mass he given? 42 grams, 42 by 28, and number of moles of hydrogen, that means 4 grams, given weight by gram molecular weight 2, 4 by 2, that means 2. So here, so substituting here, so mole fraction of nitrogen gas, so here N of H2 42 by 28 by 42 by 28 plus 4 by 2, and simplifying this you will get a value of 3 by 7, and simplifying this you will get the value of 3 by 7. That means the P of N2 is equal to 3 by 7 times of total pressure. So what is the option? The 3 by 7, the third option is correct. And next we will move to next question. The law of partial volumes constant the mixture is, so law of partial volumes, that means V total is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus and so on. So here option 1 is correct, that means the V total is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V2, V3 and so on. And next we will move to next question. Aqueous tension is depends on, so here aqueous tension is depends only on temperature, not volume and not pressure. So which option is correct? The third option is correct. And we will move to next question. Dalton's law of partial pressure is applicable to the following gases at room temperature. That means Dalton's law of partial pressure is applicable only non-reactive gases. That means here what are the non-reactive gases? When you compare the first option, hydrogen and nitrogen, this is the non-reactive gas, and H2, and so there is the reactive gases, this is also reactive gases, and this is also reactive gases. So question number 5, option 1 is correct. So first option, H2 and N2 are non-reactive gases. So according to question, Dalton's law of partial pressure is applicable to the following gases at room temperature is the combination of H2 and N2 gases. Thank you children, stay home, stay safe.